Welcome weirdos to Petras playground. I hope you will enjoy. Hi, I don't know if this is in a vlog that I'm already editing or if this is a standalone video, I don't know. But this will mark the end of my vlogging my apartment things. Just not that it will ever end and not that it's finished in any way, but I just want to get kept up. I just want to keep up. I just want to get to this day, like with all the old vlog footage. I just want to edit it and put it up and then start making more recent vlogs, because now I'm just like getting in a loop of stress because I'm like, I have so much old footage and I never get it done, and I want to be able to vlog normally, and like this is what I did this weekend and everything. So this will be the final apartment tour, and I say final apartment tour because I'll probably show you the apartment later more times than if I do big changes or anything, and it's absolutely not done, and you will see that. But I just want to show you what the apartment looks like as of right now. I am still a single mother, as you know, so I have never a completely clean apartment. Leona is with her father from today until Monday, so I have picked all the things up from floor, not even all the things, but some things off the floor I have pretty clean. I have not vacuumed, I have not washed the floor, I have not gotten any dust away from the furniture, so it's not clean, but at least I picked up all the things. I don't know how I will ever get the apartment totally clean ever in my freaking life. I'm so stressed at this moment. My blood pressure seems to be up this high, even though I have very low blood pressure, but I just feel like I'm gonna explode soon because I get all warm and it feels like my head will explode, and I get stressed and I panic a lot. I have a lot of anxiety, so that's fun to start this vlog with. But I'm going to show you the apartment. Let's just say it like that, and this is honest. So this is what it looks like right now, and I'll probably make a honest apartment tour at some point when I show you how messy it absolutely is when Leona is here. But this is when I cleaned a little bit, and it's, yeah, let's just head to the apartment tour. So this is the door where you come in. There we have a little bit of garbage. I'll put it downstairs later. This one is still not up on the wall. It's a poster painting or whatever you will call it that I want to have in the kitchen, and I might put it there or not. This shoe shelf will probably later go into the closet or somewhere else, and I'll put a shoe shelf here. Here are some clothes I need to pick up. Here are some things that go to the storage. Some winter gear still. As you see, it's very messy in the hallway. This is nothing I'm proud of, but it is what it is. It's also very like sandy because it's springtime here and all the sand comes in. Let's leave it there. When you come in, hello, there I am in the mirror. I love this mirror. Bought it on like a online flea market for like no money at all. It's a little bit broken, but I don't care. I think it's gorgeous. It's nice to have a mirror where you go outside just to check how you look at the last moment. This one was here from since I moved in. It belonged to a person living downstairs who unfortunately passed away, so I took it because it's good to sit here to put your shoes on and everything. I don't know how long I will keep it, but I have it as of right now. I might get it like dressed in white or something at some point, because I'm not a wooden person. I really like white though, and maybe white and wood, like this shelf. Something like that. It might look like that later, but yeah. You come into the kitchen here, and here we just have some spices. That is an empty shelf. As you see, I still have a lot of empty shelves. I don't know what to do with those really, but that's how it looks right now. And I want to show you inside the things because it's always messy there. But yeah, what I need in the kitchen: my toaster, where I put dished utensils and stuff. Some things I need. I don't know where my Bluetooth speaker is here, but it is. I have my favorite thing in the world, a dishwasher. Thank you so much for that, because I wouldn't survive otherwise. I'm drinking from that this way stands here, so I don't have to wash too much because of the environment. The knives and a water boiler. This balcony is a shame of everything. Here we have all the things that I need to get recycled, and it's not beautiful. I need to find a better way, because this is not cozy, so I'm never sitting outside here. But Leona does. She loves this place. If I want to sweep, I have that. We have this, and I have done so that way that I have the computer things in here, and the computer is here. Is not It does not look good, I know. It looks messy, but I don't have much to do about that. I just need to have my computer somewhere, and it's pretty good. I actually do find it pretty relaxing to sit here to edit and everything. I might even get this dressed in white or something with paper and stuff. I, by the way, love this little bar or whatever you want to call it. It's a good thing to, I don't know, I just like it. My microwave, imported papers. This is a soda stream where you can make your own bubbly water. I got it from my sister because she never used it, so the bottles are not working. I need to get those kinds of bottles, but it has all the things I need to make bubble water. This is Leona's little play corner in the kitchen. She has her own little kitchen that she plays with a lot, mostly when we are going to go to bed. That is when she feels like, now I'm gonna cook. And her little light curtain, a little elephant she got for first Christmas, and also all these animals that she loves to play around with and throw everywhere. And we have the real kitchen corner. This is where we eat our dinner and breakfast and lunch. Some cookbooks and everything. I'm gonna put something up there. I haven't decided what. Maybe more books, maybe a painting or whatever. That Big Friends painting that was in the hallway, I might put over the piano here. My piano is at this moment very high, and I know it looks crowded, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm doing. This is the rooms I have to fit my furniture in, so it has to stand there. And when I play, I just turn that chair around and I'm playing. And yes, we still have some toys over here. Now when we come around this corner, there's the hallway again. Here we have my whiteboard that I need to put somewhere, and I don't have any place for it right now. So we'll see what happens with that. Here is just a thing where I have like my pens and crafts and stuff. Leona wants to take everything, so I have 3 empty drawers that Leona will get to put her stuff in. I also see that it's dirty now. Oh, fun. I don't know where to put my ukulele just yet, and yeah, I'm gonna do something about that and that. So as you see, nothing is really completely done. But here you go into the bathroom. This is what it looks like right now. It is what it is. I love my bathroom. It's very big. These diapers needs to go in on the diaper shelf. Wow. I love that I have so much storage. That's my favorite thing with the entire apartment, is all the storage I have. I need it, and I need it. And I love that I have my own washing machine. It helps me a lot. This is of course not going to be this messy, but it is what it is at this moment. I just need to try to breathe. This one Leona lays on, and when I change her diaper, this is for my face. And these are some clothes that are going to Tobias because it's his, or it's Leona's at his place. We have some things to make it cozy when I take a bath. And we have skincare, and we have hair care, some bath bombs, perfumes, and Leona's hairbands, and some socks and stuff. And there's some socks too. And just a shower curtain, and I just, as you see, my colors are gray and pink in this apartment. No, not in the entire apartment, just the bathroom. A lot of laundry needs to get done there. Yes, it is. I'll put some things like this so you can hang stuff on the door. From the bathroom we come into the living room, and here not much has changed, I guess. Since you saw it last, here are some baptism things she got. This one she got when she got baptized and everything. This one she got from Lovisa and her family, and a beautiful letter. So this one I hope it will never break. These are my earphones, will not be there. Some books, because I don't have enough bookshelves, and a Levi card I got. Some movies, of course. This one is filled with Astrid Lindgren movies, which is like Pippi Longstocking and everything. She wrote a lot of children movies and books and stuff. And this is like Pippi Longstocking's bag where she keeps all her money, and I have all the movies in that, which I think is cute. Leona loves Pippi Longstocking. We just have this painting as you've seen before. More movies. The black curtains, I don't like that they are there too, but the sun is so shiny in here, so I can't see anything. It gets very hot, so I need to have double curtains so I can close them all. Otherwise, I just, of course, I have, of course, only the purple ones, if I could. Here we have the beanbag chair with a blanket over, so it looks more pretty, because the red does not really fit the room. My beautiful couch that I got from my amazing cousin. My beautiful pillow from Mark. And my bookshelves that I love. Love, love, love. I could have more of them because I really love them. Beautiful. That one. Little light wall. Just to keep it. We put up those shelves for Latoya. You already know that. That is the bed. She loves playing and reading on. Her little chair. The lights. Yeah. It is what it is, and I think it's cute. We go into the bedroom at this moment. Look at this fluffy thing that I got. I love it so much. Got it from someone, and now I just need to have it. Also that furry rug. Love furry things, and it's so cute in the bedroom here. And we have, yeah, but I love also my gray one. So I don't know if I'm gonna have that as a winter cover and that as a summer, or the other way around, or I don't know, I haven't decided yet. However, this is my bedroom. And here we have my makeup table. This has been white and miscolored, so I put this marble kind of thing on that I made at work, because we make those kinds of things, and that was what I mean with getting the furniture dressed somehow. This is what I mean. I like it a lot, and I really like this place, and when I make makeup videos I like that this is shown in the background. And this is my nerd shelves. Finally found the Grace painting that was gone for a long time. And this, I will put stuff on that shelf, and I will get my Sia wig and everything here, but this is what I have at this moment, and I really like it. I am considering putting one of these shelves, one of those, over the makeup table too, so I can fit my makeup in another way, but I'm not sure, because what is hard is that I will I really like doing the makeup related videos more and more, so I will do more makeup videos and stuff, so that would be good. However, the bed that is in Leona's corner will at some point be standing next to my bed, and then this table will go where that is, and that will go into Leona's little corner over there. And that is what makes it hard, because if I put a shelf there over there, it will be over her bed, and it will be very high over her bed and everything, so I'm not sure. But the thing is, I just love them standing together. I don't know why it looks so, I think it looks so pretty. I know it's like a childish feel of my apartment, but I don't care. I like it. I like pastel colors, I like lights, and I like it to be a little bit childish or whatever. I don't know. But all my makeup is here, at least. I have some makeup here. I love that thing. I might put my own pictures in there at some point, but I really like the colors. I have some books here. This is a air cleaner or whatever, because we're so allergic. And yeah, my vacuum cleaner. Love that room. And last but not least, the balcony. I don't know if I ever showed how it turned out with the colors. Unfortunately, it's very cold today. Very cold. This is a little corner Leona loves sitting there and draw. I have fake, not grass, but it's soft green mess that kind of look like grass. The color scheme is like mustard yellow here, and I love it. I just wish there were more sun, but it's still just May, so I guess it will get better. All these dust spots is from the rainfall we just recently have, and we had a snowfall too, so that will be gone later, and something more pretty will be on that one, I think. But I love my balcony. I think it's beautiful, and I love when the sun is here and warms me up. So that is about all I have for this video, for my apartment touring, for my apartment decorating. I still will decorate and stuff. I just want to get to this video so I know I have edited everything, and then I can start doing more recent vlog, and then I will show you if I've done something to the apartment and everything, but not these decorating vlogs, because then when I started to make videos and everything, which I love doing, the vlogs, like I want to do every other video, like make a video vlog and everything, and then it turned out to be, I have so much footage I haven't done yet when I filmed this, but when you see this, I have already recorded all of that thing fully. But yeah, I actually love my apartment and the way it looks. I know it's childish in some people's eyes probably, but I like pastel colors. I love baby pink, I love baby purple, baby blue, baby green. I love all those things, and I feel like this is me and Leona's apartment. We will have a little cutesy apartment if that is what we want. I want cozy, I want colors, I want nerdy stuff. And good thing with living just by yourself, I have my shell of course, but she's so young so she doesn't have anything to say yet about how I decorate, is that I can do just exactly how I want to do. I can move the furniture when I want to, I can change colors when I want to, and I love it. And I love my apartment and I feel very cozy here, and that makes me happy. I just wish it wasn't that messy and dirty all the time, but that is what it is to be a single mother, I guess. Thank you for watching all of this. I hope you enjoy my apartment and that you think it's cute. Let me know what you would like to see on this channel, makeup related or not, vlog material or not. Just let me know. I love you very much, and I'm happy I have you with me on this journey through life.